parents, we know the struggle. Laundry never ends. Just when you think you're caught up, someone spills juice, another kid needs their uniform for tomorrow, and you're left wondering, how do I dry all of this in time? If you're tired of bulky racks, endless drying time, and running out of space, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Mojoco channel. Today, we're sharing our top laundry hacks for busy parents and introducing you to the Mojoco Portable Clothes Dryer, a compact solution that makes life so much easier.
Here at Mojoco, we design smart home appliances with families in mind, saving you time, saving you space, and saving you energy. Our portable clothes dryer is lightweight, compact, and surprisingly powerful. Whether you're a parent, a student, or someone living in a small space, this little dryer can take the stress out of laundry days.
Air drying can take forever, sometimes a whole day. And let's be honest, damp clothes start to smell. Full-size dryers, they're noisy, take up half a room, and use a ton of power. But here's the real issue. Life doesn't wait. When your child spills spaghetti on their only school shirt, or your toddler's favorite pajamas are soaked, you don't have 12 hours to wait. You need clean, dry clothes right now.
That's why we created a smarter, faster, family-friendly solution. And we're glad to present some life hacks that the Mojoco Portable Dryer has to offer. Hack number 1, small batch drying. Instead of waiting for a big load, the Mojoco dryer handles up to 9 items at a time, perfect for those last-minute emergencies. Set the timer anywhere from 1 hour to 8 hours, and you're good to go. Lighter items like baby clothes or shirts, done in about 90 minutes. Thicker fabrics take a little longer, but the key is, you don't need all day. Hack number 2, save space. Big drying racks take over your living room. Traditional dryers, they need hookups in a permanent spot in your home. Mojoco folds down flat, weighs just 3.6 pounds, and fits in a closet, under a bed, or even in a suitcase. For parents living in apartments, shared spaces, or anyone who just doesn't want laundry gear taking over the house, this is a game changer. Hack number 3, freshening clothes. Life doesn't always give you time for a full wash. Maybe your child's jacket smells like yesterday's playground, or your sweater feels just a little musty. With Mojoco's built-in UV light, you can refresh clothes, reduce odors, and make them ready to wear again. Quick, easy, and no need to restart the laundry process from scratch. Hack number 4, energy savings. Traditional dryers use a huge amount of electricity. Mojoco runs at about 600 watts, less than most hair dryers. That means you save money every month on utilities, and you're making a more eco-friendly choice for your family and the planet. Hack number 5, flexibility. Mojoco is for more than just parents at home. Students in dorms, families traveling in RVs, people renting small apartments, even grandparents helping with laundry. It works everywhere. It's light, portable, and ready to go wherever life takes you. Honestly, this dryer has saved us more times than I can count. My son spilled juice on his only school shirt an hour before bed. Mojoco had it dry by morning. My toddler's pajamas, same story. It's one of those appliances you don't realize you need until it's there. And then you can't live without it. At Mojoco, we believe home appliances should make family life easier, not harder. That's why our portable clothes dryer was designed with parents in mind. Small, smart, and stress-saving. Whether it's baby clothes, uniforms, or everyday wear, Mojoco helps keep your family moving. If you're ready to save time, space, and energy, check the link below to grab your Mojoco Portable Clothes Dryer today. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mojoco channel for more home hacks, family tips, and product demos. Thanks for watching. Here's to making laundry days a whole lot easier.